Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you students. I welcome you in today's 6th grade English lesson. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Zeni from Wise School. Today the date is May 31st, 2021 and the day is Monday. Today students, we are going to do the grammar work from your English book. We have read the unit The Day of Conquest. Today we will do the grammar work of this lesson. So open your books, page number 39. Be ready for this lesson, students. Hurry up. Did you open the page 39? Here on page number 39, the topic name is possessive forms of animate and inanimate nouns. So that means our topic is about nouns, right? That is about nouns. So what are nouns, students? Nouns are naming words, the name of person, place or thing. But today we will discuss the kinds of nouns. Two kinds, animate nouns and inanimate nouns. So let's discuss. Here in read me box, its definition is given. A noun which refers to people, animals and living beings is an animate noun. For example, boy, sheep, cat, etc. So the noun which refers to animals or people, जो लोगों को या फिर एनिमल्स को, इन टू चीज़ों को रेफ़र करता है, उनके बारे में बात करता है, दैट नाउन इज़ animate noun. That refers to, that talks about the living beings like people or animals. So what are the examples? Think in your mind. Man. Okay, man is the example. Then girl, Ali, Sarah. So in animals, sheep, cat, dog, deer, lion. So these all are animate nouns. Okay, hopefully you have understood this. Now move towards inanimate noun, right? Inanimate nouns. What are inanimate nouns? Inanimate nouns are opposites of animate nouns. They are totally opposite, different from animate nouns. They refer to the things that are not alive. So non-living things are included in inanimate nouns, right? And then in the sentence, the teacher reads a book. So here is the example given. The teacher reads a book. The teacher refers to animate noun, and book refers to inanimate noun. Okay, living thing is animate noun, non-living thing is inanimate noun. So students, now I will tell you the definitions of animate nouns and inanimate nouns. Animate nouns, a noun, animate nouns, a noun which refers to people, animals and living beings is an animate noun. For example, boy, sheep, etc. Inanimate noun, they refers to the things that are not alive, book, chair, pencil, etc. So here some examples are given on your book. This car belongs to Sarah. In these examples, you have been told about possessive form of animate nouns. So if something belongs to some animate person, कि वो किसी जिंदा चीज़ से belong करती है, तो उसको हमने possession में किस तरह change करना है, possession को हम किस तरह से represent करते हैं, through apostrophe. So what is apostrophe? When we add s with the word, like Sarah's. If we read this sentence, this car belongs to Sarah, we can write in possessive form, This is Sarah's car. So we will write Sarah in the first and car will come in the end. This is Sarah's car. So what we have done? We have simply add s with Sarah. So when we add s with animate noun, animate thing, living thing, then it becomes possessive form of animate noun. The next example is the mother cooked breakfast for Awais. It can be written in this way as well. In possessive form, we will write in this way: the mother cooked Awais breakfast. So what we have done? We have put here apostrophe, comma here after Awais. Okay, on the upper side. Then the zookeeper cleans the cage of lion. And how we will write? The zookeeper cleans the lion's cage. Lions shows that this is animate thing. So animate thing को हम लोग जब उसके साथ s ऐड करेंगे, that will become possessive form. Okay? So to make possessive form of animate nouns, we add the apostrophe s to the noun. For example, Sajid's car, cat's toy. So in these examples, Sajid's car we have added s with Sajid. We have added apostrophe s. Cat's toy. So that shows possession. Apostrophe s shows possession. किसकी है? Cat की. कैट का टॉय, कैट का बिल्ली का खिलौना. तो जो का वर्ड है उर्दू में एंड इन इंग्लिश एस वर्ड शोज पोजेशन, कि मलकियत शो करने के लिए हम एपोस्ट्रोफी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड देन those names that end in s, either an apostrophe plus s is ended at the end of the noun or just an apostrophe. We cannot add an apostrophe plus s to animate nouns to make possessive forms. और हम apostrophe नहीं ऐड कर सकते inanimate nouns के साथ. So only animate nouns के साथ हम apostrophe ऐड करेंगे. Living things, living animals, living persons के साथ. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के साथ एपोस्ट्रोफी कभी भी ऐड नहीं करनी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू नेवर ऐड एपोस्ट्रोफी और एस विद inanimate nouns. So here are some examples given. If we will write the table's leg is broken, that is wrong, as table is inanimate thing, non-living thing, inanimate noun. तो जो चीज़ नॉन लिविंग है उसके साथ हमने एपोस्ट्रोफी नहीं ऐड करनी. दिस इज़ रॉन्ग, दिस इज़ इनकरेक्ट. what is the correct structure of this sentence? The leg of the table is broken. The sky's next sentence, the sky's color is blue. Wrong, as it is an animate noun. So we will write in this way: the color of the sky is blue. The third sentence, this is a bottle's cap. How we will write? This is the cap of bottle. So bottle's cap is wrong. It is inanimate. We cannot add s with non-living things. Apostrophe is only added with animate nouns. So here is the exercise that is on book page 40. Tick the sentences with possessive forms of animate nouns. So only animate nouns की possessive forms के साथ आपको tick mark करना है. Ali's clock is not working. So Ali is animate noun. So we will write tick mark. Okay, Ali's animate noun. So it is correct. It is possessive form of animate noun, correct. The next sentence, my father's health is not good. Father is animate noun, so this is also a possessive form of animate noun, so this one is correct. The tap of the water is not working. it is not animate noun as it is in this sentence. The tap is mentioned. The tap is non-living thing. Okay, E is wrong. The tap of the water is not working. The stones of the mountains are grey. So here stones refers to an animate noun, so it is not animate noun, so it is wrong, it is cross. आपको सिर्फ animate sentences को टिक मार्क करना है और जो inanimate है उनको क्रॉस करना है. Last sentence, Asma's book is missing. So Asma's, that shows it is living person. Okay, it is animate noun, so we will tick mark this sentence. So here is the exercise. You have to do this exercise on book. Now this is your test, student. I have given you the test of unit number 5, the day of conquest, words meanings test and word sentences test. So here is the test. You have to write meanings of these words with parts of speech. First word is profusely. Second word is lauded. Third word is cherish. So students, the next sentence is, sorry for that, write sentences. You have to write sentences of these words hurriedly. Second word is pat. So students, I hope you have understood that what is your test. So what I have given you the lecture about inanimate nouns. You have to do the exercise number 3 on page number 40 on your books. And then your next diary for learning is, you have to learn unit number 5, the day of conquest, questions and answer number 1, 2 and 3. Okay students, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.